We've brought together 50 bankruptcy attorneys, one from every state.
Can I keep my car?
What about my house?
Can I rebuild my credit? How do I ace my 341 meeting?
Whether you're drowning in debt or just treading water, our panel is here to handle the questions that keep you up at night. Real answers from lawyers who do this every day. If you want to be connected with a lawyer in your state for a free consultation, see the link in the description.
The discharge is done. Now is time for the comeback. What do you actually do to start rebuilding your credit score after bankruptcy? Buzzing in first is Joel Olstein from Illinois. Joel, give us a roadmap.
Before filing bankruptcy, oftentimes you're already in a situation where you have late payments, negative marks on your credit, and you're in a credit purgatory is what I like to call it. The opportunity to rebuild is negligible, if not nothing at all. Once you file the bankruptcy, a line in the sand is drawn. All these creditors that are typically reporting late against your credit each month are no longer able to do so. Now you're in a position where if maybe you kept a car or you kept a house in your bankruptcy, you're going to have positive credit reporting each month. And even if you do not have a secured debt that reports each month, your credit is going to naturally improve because there is no more negative reporting that is knocking you down each month. Then there are different things that you can do to try and accelerate the improvement on your credit score. One of the things that we do at our firm is we sign our clients up for 720 Credit Score Rebuilder, which is a process that they can use to take steps. And I say little tricks or things that they can do to help rebuild their credit going forward. So although there is going to be a natural improvement over time, typically the credit reports we run show that there will be a 100-point post-filing increase in 6 to 8 months. The 720 program can accelerate that or even increase it over the year where your credit score is up to a 720, which is the goal of that course within a 6-month period. So the question from clients about how's my credit score going to be after bankruptcy? Well, the answer is always better because prior to filing, they're in a position where it can't grow. And subsequent to filing, it's going to only naturally improve with time.
We have many resources to help you on your debt relief journey, including free ebooks and a community support group. Please see our links in the description. Next up, watch one of these 2 informative videos.